Hello everyone! So today is already May 31st, almost midnight. So kagabi, na-share ko sa inyo yung salary ko from May 16 to 30. Since today is already the last day, so I can give you already my total earnings from May 16 to 31. So yesterday, it's almost 11,000 yun, diba? So ngayon, ito na siya. 12,233. Yan ang yung salary ko for the cut-off, for the second cut-off of May. This is not to brag, so this is to inspire those aspiring applicants of 5-1 Talk. Tapos may nagtatanong, magkano naman po yung sa newbie? Actually, I could consider myself as a newbie. Although I am a returning teacher, na kababalik ko pa lang kay 5-1 Talk last February 20, almost 4 months pa ako in the platform. So, hindi masyadong kalakihan ang per 25 minutes. Basta galingan nyo lang yung every classes nyo. Laki pa rin yung magiging sahod nyo every cut-off. So, in 1 month, as a part-timer, you can really earn more or less 20K. Yeah. More or less 20K talaga yung magiging sahod nyo as part-timer pa yan ha. So, those who are planning to apply in 5-1 Talk, so just message me here in TikTok or message me in my messenger so that I can guide you. Mas maganda if you're going to message me in my messenger account, ito na picture, ito na name, para mas mag-guide ko po kayo. Marami na talagang na-launched under my referral this May. As I have said to you yesterday, 16 po silang lahat na nakapasok or na-launched as 5-1 Talk teachers. So, be one of us already and be one of my referrals so you can also be one of the ESL teachers here in the platform. Bye!